skin analysis is something that we do at our clinic when you come for consultation. So it's very important to see all the layer of the skin and to prevent it before you start getting pigmentation, and you can see how many pores you have and whether your sunblock and your skincare is good enough for you or not. So basically when you come, there are 3 pictures that we will take using the skin analysis machine, and then we will get the results. You can see this is the picture of the patient. So normally we choose the whole face as the area. Then we will analyze for you the results. So MEL stands for melanin. So melanin is the pigmentation sitting below the skin. So what we want is dark blue and what we don't want is dark red. So let's look at the results. So dark red is 91.8%. This is a lot of damages under the skin. This is because of UV exposure. So basically this can be reversed back if you are using a proper sunblock, and also by doing some treatment, all this can be reversed back. So meaning that this patient's sunblock is not protecting the skin enough. So ERY is basically the skin, whether it's thinning or not. So the more the skin is thinning, that means it could be because of the wrong product, some product which has got hydroquinone and all that making the skin thinner, or because of the UV exposure itself. So here, as you can see, 67% of the skin is dark red, which is not good, and 14.1% of the skin is thinning. So you can see on the forehead, on the cheek area, the skin started thinning. So this, as they grow older, they can start having pigmentation, they can start seeing some superficial vein coming out of the skin, which is not good for the skin. Next, we see the wrinkles. So wrinkles shouldn't be more than 50%. So as for this patient, it is 41.3%, so it's not too bad. So when they have too many wrinkles, then we suggest laser resurfacing to remove the wrinkles, and also some Botox treatments to treat the wrinkles. And next we see the pores. Pores shouldn't be more than 6,000. So when it is more than 6,000, what happened? Aging process has taken over. So then we need to do treatment to firm the skin. So you can see it's 7,500 pores. So this patient needs treatment to minimize the pores and to firm the skin. So that's how we choose the treatment for you. And we also recommend certain product for you to use, because maintenance is very, very important. So this is the picture taken from UV picture. So this one can show all this orange dots, which is all the white head, black head that we have. So we can clear it with treatment like extraction, microdermabrasion, also a little bit on the forehead, the T-zone especially, so we can clear it. And overall, we also see the hydration of the skin. So we want the skin to be hydrated. It should be a bit more lighter color. If it is a bit darker, that means the skin is dehydrated. Then we would recommend some suitable moisturizer or some treatment to lock in the moisture on the skin, so that the skin will be always staying hydrated. So if you want to know more about face analysis, you can always contact us.